Hi, I'm Alia. So in today's video we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb to be in Slovenian. So we say Biti. Biti means to be. And before we begin, I wanted to give you an update or some news. Actually, I've been working really hard on this new application. Right now it's going to be only for iOS, but soon it will also be available for Android. And it's verb conjugations for pretty much not all Slovenian verbs. I'm trying to get there. So right now I have 150 in the app itself. So I hope I can get a few more done. And yeah, this app should be out this week, hopefully. So what week is it, in June? So hopefully by 25th, 26th June it will be out. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you. And I guess now we can begin with the recording. Wait, let me record the screen first. Okay, so we will record. Okay, it's recording. All right, so what we will do, we will just copy and paste first. Oi, how do I do this? What we did the previous time for Gledati, right, to watch, and I will copy it here in the new one. But what I will do is now I will change this one with Biti. Okay, so the root here, like, I don't know how to say, forget about it. Yeah, so and here we will say to be, because Biti is an irregular verb. Yeah, so it's a bit special, actually quite special, very special. And here I will delete all of this, and also these ones I will keep, okay, because you will see why. All right, so if I say jaz, okay, so me, jaz sem, so I can say we will also put examples. Yeah, so maybe you know what I'll do, I'll just copy this again, but this one we will only use for examples. All right, so if I go like this, so I can say jaz sem Alia, right? Or yeah, that's it, jaz sem Maja, right? Anything, right? So I am Alia. All right, then ti si, okay, you are. On je, he is. Ona je, she is. All right, and then midva sva, we are. Midve sva, again, we are. Mi smo, but are you seeing the color schema, right? So now it's gonna be me smo, right? Vidva sta, vidve sta, so you are. All right, and then for dual, so, and then vi ste, so, and vi ste, so you are. Okay, one dva sta, oni dve sta, oni so, and one so. Okay, so now let's quickly also put this in some examples so it makes more sense. We use them in hopefully good ways, so it's a good example. All right, so ti si, right, if we go back up, so maybe just to help us for now I will copy, I will delete this one later. All right, so here, so sem, we already used this one. Ti si, right, so now we just did ti si. Ti si, let's say Slovenka, you are a Slovene, so a female Slovene. Okay, and then we can say on je Slovenec, it means he is a Slovene. All right, okay, and then ona je doma, she is home, or she is at home. Okay, and midva sva prijatelja, we are friends. Okay, so, and here again, midva is us two, so two people when it's either two guys or a guy and a girl. Okay, so this is when we would use this midva. Okay, and then we have midve when it's only two girls, so we can say midve sva prijateljici. Okay, so prijateljica is a female friend, and dve prijateljici is two female friends. Okay, so now midve sva prijateljici, we are friends. This is what two girls would say. Okay, mi smo, so we are. Mi smo na morju. Okay, so we are at the sea or by the sea. Okay, and then let's do the same. Me smo na morju, so it would be only girls by the seaside, so basically on vacation by the sea. So me smo na morju. All right, and then vidva, you two, vidva sta študenta. Študenta, it means you two are students. So this I can say either to a guy and a girl, so when they're together, or to two guys. I can say you two are students. Vidva sta študenta. All right, and then vidve sta študentki. Študentki, so you two are 2 female students, okay? So, but now forget about morje, student, and so on. We're just focusing on the verb to be. So, one more time. Ja sem, ti si, on je, ona je, so I am, you are, he is, she is, and so on. Okay. And then let's say, vi ste na počitnicah. Počitnicah. So, you are on holidays, you're on vacation. And then let's say, vi ste na počitnicah. So you are on vacation again, right? But again, vi, if it's at least one guy in a group, okay? So we can be 3 plus people, okay? And vi, it's when it's only girls. So either 3 girls or 3 plus girls. So 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay? Then one dva sta Slovenca, they are Slovenians, and oni dve sta Slovenki. Okay, hope you're following me. So, sta, right? Both for one dva. Okay, and then oni so mladi. Let's say oni so mladi, they are young, and one so mlade. Okay, so as you can see, the endings are changing depending on the genders, right? But don't worry about this now. Okay, no worries. I just hope that maybe you get a feel for it, how it goes. Okay. So one more time. Now we did examples for the present. So one more time. Ja sem, I am. Ti si, you are. On je, he is. Ona je, she is. Mi dva sva, we are. Mi dve sva, we are. Mi smo, we are. Me smo, we are. Vi dva sta. Okay, you two are. Okay. Vi dve sta, you two are. Vi ste, you are. Vi ste, you are. Sorry about the traffic if you hear it by any chance. Okay. One dva sta, they are, so they two are. Oni dve sta, they two are. Oni so, and one so. Okay? Oh, maybe this one as well. I'll just expand a bit so you can see better, right? So usually this e at the end it's implying only that it's girls. Okay? So as you can see here. Alright, and now for the past.